Xiang sauce stir-fried clams and seafood are all very delicious. So, has everyone tried Xiang sauce stir-fried Yi Noodles? Does everyone love it?
I bought Xiang sauce and suddenly felt like stir-frying Yi noodles with it. The result was incredible. My family and I absolutely love it. Truly fantastic. Ingredients: Yi Xiang sauce, vegan tofu, bell peppers. I used this brand of Xiang sauce, not an ad. I used 3/4 of the amount, and with the rest I made another dish, crispy Xiang abalone mushrooms. The recipe video will be uploaded once edited. Soak Yi noodles in hot water until softened, then drain and set aside. Wash the bell peppers, remove the seeds, cut into strips, and set aside. Cut the vegetarian seafood tofu into slices and set aside. Stir-fry the vegetarian seafood tofu until fragrant. Add the bell peppers and stir-fry until fragrant. Add the Xiang sauce and stir-fry until fragrant, then add water. Add salt to taste according to personal preference. If the purchased Xiang sauce already has a strong flavor, avoid adding salt to prevent it from becoming too salty. Add Yi noodles and stir-fry until the sauce is reduced and the noodles are evenly coated. For a more appealing color, add dark soy sauce to give the noodles a richer hue. The fragrant Xiang Yi noodles are now ready. Plate them up and it's time to eat. The noodles carry the rich, savory, and slightly spicy aroma of the Xiang sauce. Each strand is evenly coated, offering a burst of flavor with every bite. The texture is wonderfully springy and satisfying. The bell peppers add a fresh, crisp contrast. It's an incredibly fragrant and addictive dish. Xiang sauce boasts a rich and savory flavor with a distinct umami taste. It blends the aromas of dried shrimp, garlic, curry leaves, and various spices. The initial salty and fragrant notes are followed by a gradual warmth of spiciness, creating complex layers. A subtle sweet and spicy interplay lingers in the aftertaste, making it incredibly appetizing. Xiang sauce is perfect for stir-frying clams, prawns, and other shellfish. It also works wonderfully with noodles and rice dishes for a flavorful meal. You can even use it to marinate or cook vegetables and tofu for a vegetarian option. Everyone should learn how to make this. Such an easy recipe, definitely add it to your go-to list so you can whip it up anytime you crave it. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.